What's good? It's KreativeKera here, back with another video. Guys, my intro for this video got deleted, so here I am, just giving you a short introduction. This project is kind of what stopped me from doing all my other business videos and my how-to videos and kind of teaching you guys things. This was a really big undertaking. It was a full house renovation that I did for my client, and it's completed. The house is done, and I just want to display to you guys my interior design skills. It's going to be incorporated as a part of my business, and I hope you like my new video style. I plan to do a little bit more of this to make my videos more entertaining to watch. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. There is no me without you. So thank you for watching, and let's get into this video. Y'all, nothing else in this bathroom is done. It still looks a hot mess, but look at this tile. Like, I'm in love with it. It makes this space look so much bigger, so much cleaner, so much newer. And the only thing that we did was add tile. We didn't do anything else. We didn't change the tub. We're gonna put some new different fixtures on, which are $200 max. So this was really a good bang for our buck. How gorgeous the shower looks. It's been grouted. It looks amazing.
3 days later.
Guys, here is the bathroom. Look how gorgeous and fresh it is. So we're changing the knobs on the vanity. So those silver knobs are gonna go. But just look. We have the ring light there that it changes colors. Well, it doesn't want to do it right now for whatever reason. We're changing out this light. And this is a new addition. The green door. Oh, it looks so good. Got the beautiful handle. Oh, I love it so much. And this is the new addition for the light. It actually plays music and has a night light and all that good stuff. So that's new. And just look, so beautiful. The toilet has been put back on. This little shelf has been rebuilt. An vent has been added. We had to put up the curtains, and guys, the shower. The shower looks so beautiful. I mean, this bathroom, the flooring, it looks so fresh and bright and white. Seriously, it looks amazing, and I just love it so much. Here, you guys need some extra lighting. Look at this. It's a 360 view. Wait till we get everything in here. You guys are gonna be so impressed. And we still have to put the mirror up, but that is something that I'm gonna be working on. And guys, this is just so fabulous. I'm not gonna show you the room right now because it's still a work in progress, but it looks amazing in here, guys. Can't wait for you guys to see the home fully furnished. This, I mean, it's gonna be crazy. Y'all, I'm working on my angles as best I can because I shoot all these videos by myself, but I've already taken the boob, those boob lights, I already took the boob off, and now I'm just gonna take the rest of the light down. When you do this too, you wanna make sure that you turn the electricity off. actually not gonna do that because these are really tight. So I'm just going to take it off this way. I'm just gonna undo these. So I got one on, going the opposite way, just from the ones at the top. So I'm gonna put this one on as well. Super easy. Got these handles from Amazon. I'll link them down below. They're really cute. They're nice and heavy. And then just the screw that came with the vanity. Just push that through. Screw this on a little bit so it's in on the handle. Then just align it how you want it, which I'm gonna do it vertically, and then you just hold up. Okay, you guys can see. So you just align it vertically, and then you just hold it, and then I'm gonna get behind it and screw it in. Simple as that. And then you got new handles on your vanity. Nice. So I'm taking the stud finder and find a spot in the wall where I can put, but I want to center it. And I got a nail here, so I'm gonna put in a little more. There we go. Now that thing is in the stud. Now it's time to hang the mirror. There we go. The mirror is now hung and it looks amazing. It looks amazing, guys. And now to add the shower curtain. And she's hung.